An arhat achieves this chit after the annihilation of all the passions. He does it in this life, not after death. So the chit of an arhat only does action without producing any result. The consciousness of arhat is called kriya chit, because arhat's consciousness bears no fruit, as he is not attached, has no liking at all. Kriya chit is fruitless consciousness or inoperative consciousness, vipak chit and kriya chit are technically called abhyakat chit. An arhat performs only moral actions, kusal kriya. So whenever there arises kamavachar kusal chit in his consciousness, that arises in the following 8 ways. Somanas sahagatam yan sampayuttam asankharikam ekam. Somanas sahagatam yan sampayuttam sasankharikam ekam. Somanas sahagatam yan vippayuttam asankharikam ekam. Somanas sahagatam yan vippayuttam sasankharikam ekam. Upekha sahagatam yan sampayuttam asankharikam ekam. उपेक्षा सहगतम यान संपयुक्तम ससंखारिकम एकम. उपेक्षा सहगतम यान विप्पयुक्तम असंखारिकम एकम. उपेक्षा सहगतम यान विप्पयुक्तम ससंखारिकम एकम. ती इमानी अठपी सहेतुका कामावचरा क्रिया चित्तानि नाम. There are 3 अहेतुक क्रिया चित्त which are as follows. उपेक्षा सहगतम पंचद्वार वज्जन चित्तम. उपेक्षा सहगतम मनोद्वार वज्जन चित्तम. सोमनस सहगतम हसित पाद चित्तम. चेती मानी तीनी पी अहेतुक क्रिया चित्तानि नाम. रूपावचर क्रिया चित्त कंसिस्ट ऑफ 5 stages, namely वितक विचार पीति सुख एकगता सहितम पठम झानम क्रिया चित्तम. विचार पीति सुख एकगता सहितम द्वितीय झान क्रिया चित्तम. पीति सुख एकगता सहितम तृतीय झान क्रिया चित्तम. सुख एकगता सहितम चतुर्थ झान क्रिया चित्तम. उपेक्षा सहगतम सहितम पंचम झान क्रिया चित्तम. चेती इमानी पंचपी रूपावचर क्रिया चित्तानि नाम. अरूपावचर चित्त consist of 4 types of kriya chitt, namely akasanchayatan kriya chittam, viyananchayatan kriya chittam, akinchayatan kriya chittam, nevsanya nasanya ayatan kriya chittam. चेती इमानी चत्तारी पी अरूपावचर क्रिया चित्तानि नाम. Thus 12 types of akusala, 21 types of kusala, 36 types of vipak and 20 types of kriya chit makes a sum total of 89 types of consciousness. It may be summarized in the following verse. द्वादश अकुशलानेवम कुशलानेक विसति छत्तीन सेव विपाकानि क्रिया चित्तानि विसति. On the contrary, the total number of chit on the basis of plane is given by following verse. चतुपयास कामे रूपे पन्न सर्ये चित्तानि द्वादश अरूपे अठधा अनुत्तरे तथा इत्थमेव नाकु बुद्धि पभेदम पन्न मानसम एक विसतिम वथा विभजन्ति विचक्षणा. Now we are going to discuss about the roop. Roop means material qualities. It is entirely devoted in dealing with the material qualities in the process of enumeration and exposition. First of all, a question is asked, Katmam Sabbam Roopam. The answer appears as Chattaro cha Mahabhuta, Chatunnam cha Mahabhutanam, Upadai Roopam, Idam Bucchati Sabbam Roopam. The method of explaining roop is to hold. First one is the enumeration, which is called as Uddesh, and second one is explanation, which is called as Niddesh. In Niddesh, there is enumeration of the standpoint. How? There is the establishment of the Rupa Matika, 11 in number. Each has several angles to throw light on the nature of the Roop. They are called as Ek Vidhena Roop Sangaho, Do Vidhena Roop Sangaho, up to Ekadash Vidhena Roop Sangaho. And much has been said in the other modules on the Roop material qualities. So in the separate module, we'll discuss about the Roop in a detailed manner. Now the last of the Abhyakat Dhamma is the Nibbana, which is also called as Asankhata Dhatu in Dhammasangani. It is said that Nibbana is the eternal bliss, which is also Achuttam, eternal, Amatam, non-changeable, Khemam, tranquil, calm, Nityam, permanent, Santam, calm, peaceful, and Asankhatam, unconditioned. In this way, we have seen how Abhyakat Dhamma has been discussed or defined by way of Vipak, Kriya, Roop and Nibbana. Thank you very much for your patience hearing of this module, and I hope that this module on Abhyakat Dhamma, which has been discussed on the basis of Dhamma Sangani and Abhidhammat Sangho, might have given you an insight in understanding the four reals, Chit, Chesik, Roop and Nibbana. Thank you very much.